I'm Pinal Verani. I'm from Surat. I'm here for getting my thyroid, ovaries treated primarily, and getting my autoimmune treated.
So, can you tell us what were the initial symptoms or condition that led you to seek the treatments?
So I have Hashimoto, an autoimmune condition which leads to the destruction of the thyroid tissue. Now, my thyroid was atrophied, quite a bit of it, and I'm here to treat that, and a couple of stem cell treatments for it, and there is quite a bit of visual difference in the gland itself.
Okay. So, how the condition affected your day for the interventions?
So, I used to take a very high dose of thyroid medication, T4, T3 included, and I had no energy, very bad skin, full body aches, pains, obesity. I could not lose weight at all. In my daily functionally, I was just living by. I couldn't do anything, couldn't work, couldn't go out, couldn't do anything. So I was just basically getting up, eating, sitting on the sofa or the chair, and then that's it. That was my day.
Okay. So how did you get the treatment at STEM?
Through my father. He came through his professional.
So were there any concerns or fear that you had to overcome before coming to here?
Oh. I mean, I don't get the question. No,
so I met. Done some research about stem cell.
Yes.
Or some
yes, that yeah.
So you can just
So I knew about stem cells, and I was very excited when I heard about this treatment which is happening here in Mumbai. And once I met Mahajan sir, I was completely convinced and ready to get into it wholeheartedly.
Okay. So, what was your first impression about StemRx?
Did not feel like in hospital. For me, it's a one-step solution. Like anti-aging, especially for autoimmune condition, there is nothing else you can do about it. So here they have this protocol where you can reverse the autoimmune direction, which is very, very unique. I have not seen anywhere else. I've studied quite a bit into this, and there's no true case for it.
So, how would you describe the overall environment and this facility?
Oh, it's unhospital. Like, it's very very friendly. It's very they are very cooperative, and it's not as painful as I was expecting.
Okay. So, did the environment and ambience contributed anything in your recovery?
Definitely. If it was not for the ambience here, I probably would have not stayed for as long as I've stayed. I've stayed for a good 1.5 months. It should be 2 months very soon. I would have not stayed here if it was not for the whole system that they have in place, including all the doctors and the staff.
So, were there any specific moments or interactions with the staff that stood out to you of care and compassion?
Every day I feel compassion from them whenever they give me some injection. They're always compassionate, they're always mindful, they're always careful कि आपको ज़्यादा pain नहीं हो रहा है. They're always like very mindful. Yeah.
So
thyroid, ovaries treated primarily. That's a difficult one. He's like a hope, like a beacon of hope. Yeah. Thyroid, ovaries treated primarily.
Like whatever disease you were having, you're going pain and all, you're able to understand a more better way and framing out for the treatment for the same. So
yes. So with Dr. Mahajan, my first experience, I met him in his office, and I sat down, gave me 5 hours time, and I had a barrage of questions, and he answered each and every one of them. There were calls ringing here and the people calling him, but he was very, very patient and very, very helpful in me to understand what treatment protocol we're going to do, what should I be expecting out of it. So that way Dr. Mahajan has been like the backbone. I mean, probably any other doctor I would have thought about it 3-4 times. Do I want to do it? Do I not want to do it? But the way Dr. Mahajan put it, I was just convinced like off the bat. He made it very easy. So I had consistent pain, 24 hours pain. My head used to hurt, my legs used to hurt. Like I said, no energy. So all my pains have gone in this month. My energy has returned quite a bit. I can now climb 4 flights of stairs and be normal instead of lying down for 3 hours trying to regain the energy. So that is one major difference. I've started to live pain-free now. Like I said, with my thyroid, I can see the difference in physical aspect of the thyroid. You can see it recovering. I'm also taking treatment for my PCOD. I've yet to see the results because it's a hormonal thing, so it takes a little while. But from whatever I'm feeling, I feel my PCOS has gotten better. My insulin resistance has gotten better. My cramps have reduced. Hormonal acne and all of that has gotten better. My skin has become way better. The most challenging aspect for me was just to come in the mindset that the autoimmunity that I have, whatever issues I have, can be reversed completely. And Dr. Mahajan helped with that mindset the most. I think I'm going to come back here every year one time and get anti-aging, detox protocols and all of that. I think that should say a lot. I would suggest that they stay here in hospital. They should give more time in the hospital than do an outpatient treatment, because here you have this whole rehab, which is, I think, one of the key factors in reducing all the pain and enhancing all the treatments that we've been taking.